Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter from Mean Girl movie. Which mean girl are you? So to get this filter you have to visit the creator profile. Yuval is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock his filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter gallery and you will find this filter. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. To use this filter you have to press and hold down the camera button. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.